Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download Snapchat for any device, but for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how we can download it for Windows 10. Now there are two ways we can do this. The first way is the direct download from Snapchat, and the second way is getting the shortcut. To get the direct download, what you're going to have to do is open up your Google Chrome browser, and once you are here, what you simply have to do is write Snapchat. Afterwards, simply press the Snapchat button right here where it says Snapchat, and now all you simply have to do is log in. Now let's say you are logged in, right? After you are logged in, I'm not going to log in for privacy purposes, but after you're logged in, it'll take you to Snapchat's original page. All you have to do from there is go to the top right, press on the three dots, more tools, create a shortcut, access window, delete this, delete that, Snapchat, create. You have Snapchat right here. Right click, pin to taskbar, and that's it. So I'm gonna unpin this for now. Let's close it off. Now, if we write Snapchat one more time, this is gonna be the second way. You can press on download. And next up, you press on login to chat for PC. But if you are on a different app, what's it called? Thingy, you can use other ways. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.